Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here. Happy day one of our very first Vlogtober together, guys. Woot woot! I'm so excited, you have no idea. So for those of you who are just jumping on board, I have teamed up with Suzy over from Suzy's Health Journey. I will link her YouTube channel and her Facebook page down below. So if you're not subscribed to her, or if you're not a member of her Facebook group, guys, please go check them out. She is one you definitely don't want to miss. We have teamed up to do a Vlogtober challenge series with you guys. And what we are doing is choosing one new challenge each week for the month of October. So this week's challenge is to share your favorite motivational quote or inspirational quote each day. Now, here's my thing. I have lots of motivational, inspirational quotes. However, I have recently purchased this box of affirmation cards. But these are not your typical affirmation cards. These, my friends, are called affirmators. And what it says is, these are 50 affirmation cards to help you help yourself without the self-helpiness. So basically what they are affirmation cards with a little bit of chaos, which, ta-da! So I thought what I would do this week is share one card from this deck with you guys each day. Just for some inspiration, motivation, to make you smile. You know what I'm all about. So, real quick before we get to sharing this affirmator, if y'all wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up, I would greatly appreciate it. It really helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys are enjoying my videos and encourages them to promote them so we can continue to grow our family. And guys, guess what? Did you see the number? We finally made it to over 800 subscribers. Woo woo, woo woo. So huge thank you to all of you who have subscribed. And guys, if you're not subscribed, if you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button down in the corner, I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. Okay, all right, enough of that. Let's get started with our affirmation. So we've got our deck. We just slide off the top. It has a 20% off card, which I'm not really sure. I have not looked at these. I got them on Amazon and I read a couple of them and I loved them. They were so funny. So not quite sure where it's going to take us. Let's see what we have. So this is what the card looks like. And today's title is Strength. Let me put on my glasses because you guys, I'm blind as a bat. I apologize in advance for the glare. I do try and spare you guys as much as I can, but I want to make sure I read this correctly. Strength. You are hereby declared a strong, resilient warrior of heroic proportions. Enjoy your battles, whatever they are. That's a good one. Because you're guaranteed to come through them stronger, brighter, and more compassionate. And then in parentheses it says, and based on what I know of mythology, probably with great hair and a six-pack. Boom! Okay, guys, what do you think? That was kind of funny. You're going to come out with great hair and a six-pack based on mythology. See the chaos, the little twist I'm talking about? But I like that. I like that. You are strong enough. You have what it takes to meet your goals, guys. We're resilient, which means if we get knocked down a little bit, we get our butts back up and keep going. We are not designed to be quitters. We're not. It says enjoy your battle, whatever they are, because you're guaranteed to come through them stronger. Struggles, guys, embrace them, learn from them. And they make you stronger because next time they come up, you're going to have a game plan. You're going to know how to handle them and you are just going to skyrocket. I like this card, guys. What do you think? I like this. And then the fact that we're going to have great hair and a six-pack. Hashtag winning. That's awesome. That is awesome. How fun. Okay, guys. That was my inspirational quote for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please remember to go over to Suzy's Facebook page. You can leave your motivational quotes or inspirational quotes in the comments here or over at her Facebook group. Like I said, I have it linked down below. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you tomorrow for Vlogtober Day 2. Bye, guys.